Okay, go.
What's going on, guys? Cam the Vlogger here. It's been forever, so please forgive me if I sound like a newbie again. But I'll talk more about that while we're eating. But we're gonna get into the video here. Do you want to?
My name is Guilla. I'm here for the food.
we both are. So I mean, you can tell by the intro. I mean, not the intro, by the thumbnail and the title of the video. I am American, Filipino, Samoan, and I'm gonna tell you right now, like I haven't tried probably 90% of these snacks here.
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, not a sponsor, but she did kind of give us all this stuff. But yeah, Guilla here, my girlfriend, she actually got it from her mom that just came back like a couple days ago. Yesterday. And she thought of this video, so thank her. Actually, this is my first mukbang. Mukbang?
Is it a mukbang? This is a mukbang.
It is, because I mean, you're technically like eating.
I don't think we're gonna eat all of it though.
No, we're gonna try them, or we're gonna like review them, I guess. I just let you know how I think about them. I know for sure this one here, just not my thing. I tried it before, they kind of suck to me. But those are her favorite.
I love them. It's like the Mexican candy of the Philippines because it's like spicy.
Yeah, that tamarind.
Candy.
Tamarind?
Yeah.
Yeah, tamarind stuff. So let's just get into it.
Which one you want to start with?
Let's go from their left to the right.
Front left?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is sampalok. Do I?
No, I have some videos for it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so explain kind of like what it is.
I don't think you're gonna like this one.
Oh my god.
It's tamarind. It's like legit tamarind.
Wrapped in sugar?
In sugar.
I'll try it.
This is your grandma's favorite. I brought it downstairs to his grandma, and she hasn't had like pasalubong in a while. Like she hasn't been to the Philippines in a while.
In forever.
And I told her, I was like, hey, do you like sampalok? And she goes, what? Yeah. And I was like, here's a whole pack from the Philippines. She goes, what? From the Philippines? Wow. It was the cutest thing.
She's so cute.
Yeah. Okay. ASMR.
Man, this is gonna be a long ass video. This is what it looks like. It's like a little sugary with like purple in the middle. Let's try it.
Some of them have seeds in the middle, so don't eat that. It's not spicy like that.
No, it's not. This one's actually bearable. It's not bad. It's not bad. No, these ones are like intense.
Yeah, they're spicier.
It's like, I think it's like the sugar that's wrapped around it makes it okay. I think I just had the seed. I don't care.
You ate it? I mean, you can't miss it.
Oh, never mind.
Okay.
I didn't get that.
Okay.
That looks like a coffee bean. Oh, that was shocked. Woo, boy. Okay. Is it bad that we're about to go have all-you-can-eat dinner after this? This is probably not the best time to do it.
I mean, we're just snacking. It's not bad. Okay, next.
Okay, so I'm gonna rate that one. That one's okay. That one's bearable.
Out of 10.
Out of 10?
Out of 10.
Oh man, that's gonna take a long time. I'm gonna say that's like a 6.5, 7 out of 10.
Okay.
I mean, it's like, it's kind of like tangy-ishy, which is not my.
There's actually some stuff in here I haven't tried. Like 2 things in here I haven't tried.
Oh.
One thing I haven't tried. I haven't tried everything.
I can't count right now.
Salted
but probably
peanuts.
Like
do we need to try this one?
12 of these.
This one's just salted peanuts.
They look good. I mess with these. Oh, they salty.
Salted peanuts.
That's good though. I've been like on this like almond and cashew kind of phase. Well, it is good. It's smacking. I actually don't like the ones that I get from Trader Joe's. I don't have them salted, so this is is good.
Oh, she got garlic up in here.
Oh, yep. I think that's what that is.
Yeah, I should. Yeah.
Ugh.
Okay, next. Ooh.
I want 8 out 9 out
Which
of
one?
10. That shit good. Go ahead.
This one, 9 out of 10.
Oh yeah, I like peanuts.
She's simple. Okay. Mango and tamarind balls.
Oh, man, what's up with tamarind?
It's good.
It's
That's the base of sinigang.
That's
Sinigang is
surprising.
tamarind soup.
Like I love sinigang. It's
Oh.
not like my favorite, but I said that over there at her house. Her little brother was like, "I don't want you to talk my sister and my entire family. Go." And I was like, "Whoa!"
This one's not.
I can't even.
It's sticky.
Oh, she is sticky. Just pop the whole thing. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see from here.
Oh, I want more. I want one more. Cause she's sweet.
So the outside has a little tanginess to it. Inside is sweet. Wait, what's the ball part? Like the inside.
It's just mango and tamarind.
Oh.
Pushed together in a gummy ball.
Oh, well, the outside was a little tangy. Inside was nice and sweet.
This one's my mom's favorite. I don't know what it's called.
It's alright, we have plenty of them.
This one's my mom's favorite.
What are these?
I don't know what they're called. We'll find out and put it on the bottom of the screen.
Okay.
Right here.
Oh, wow.
But they dry as hell. But they're good.
What's
It's my
supposed to be
mom's
good?
favorite. She bought like 50 of these. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. But yeah, they're good. They're little cookies. They're super crumbly, so like, careful.
Don't use weapons, kids.
We'll have this one. I think we need
Is
to.
it okay if I just open it like this? Yeah. So they're shaped in like little flowers.
Yeah.
Which is cute. Little, kind of like little biscuit type shaped things. But I'm gonna eat this whole thing. You can have that
You
little
can
half
have
right
this
now.
one right here.
So, what is the flavor?
It's just this cookie. It's a biscuit kind of thing. It's a cookie.
It smells like it'd be good with coffee.
She's dry. But she's really good.
Oh, she's really good.
I told you it's dry. It's like,
Holy shit.
I told him it's like Popeye's biscuits. But like, times
Like-
50.
I don't know if y'all like smoked weed before, but it's like cottonmouth, and you're like eating a cracker or something.
She dry. My mom loves this stuff though.
I mean, the flavor is top notch. Dryness though,
And then I get stuff.
like I cracked
your
it onto my tongue, and it just like shriveled up.
Okay, next. Next one, I think you've tried this one already. Choconuts.
Oh yeah, this is this is one of very
This
few
is-
that I actually tried.
Yeah, this is my brother's favorite. My older brother. He can eat a whole pack of this in like one sitting.
This is also pretty dry,
Yeah.
crumbly,
Yeah.
but it's good. It has like a it has like a little light. It's actually very light and chocolate flavor.
Yeah, that's why I don't really like it. I don't really like peanut butter.
Peanut
People
milk
hate
chocolate.
me right
So what?
now.
I don't know if you guys watch like Good Mythical Morning, but Link doesn't like anything.
But he loves peanut
But
butter.
he loves peanut butter. Like sushi, no. Tomatoes, no. Everything. This is one of my favorite actually.
Yeah, I like this one.
I should probably explain why it's been a while that I haven't filmed anything. Let's move on to the next one.
This is my favorite. The cheesecakes.
Of course. They're like pound cakes, yeah?
Yeah, I eat the top.
Only. There's a reason why I haven't like uploaded in probably a month now. It's like a little cupcake. Filipino cupcake. It looks good. It looks dense.
Dance.
It looks like pound cake
Did you
actually.
try this one already?
I think so. This is exactly like a pound cake. That's really good. I haven't rated any of the last like two. But so far,
This one, well, how about chocolate?
coconut. Oh man, that one's good.
And
I don't like the dryness as much, so like maybe like 8 out of 10.
how about this one? The dry cookies.
It's extremely dry.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say like, I mean like the flavor is really good. The dryness is just like, it's like bad. And my mouth is like usually pretty watery. And it like just soaked up all of my saliva like instantly.
Not this one.
I'm gonna say 7 out of 10. The dryness is crazy. This one, man, this one's good. I can have coffee with that one. Easy. 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 Not easy. 9. 8.5. 8.5. Anyways, so I haven't like filmed in a while for one reason. One reason. Red Dead Redemption.
Yep.
I've been like, usually all of my off time I'm like filming or I'm editing and like thinking of ideas and stuff. But as of lately, it's like the only thing that's been on my mind was Red Dead Redemption. Or I found this new anime called Sirius the Jaeger, which is pretty cool too. Animes are crazy now.
Next one.
Next one.
Bangos. Milkfish. It's chips. It's fish chips.
Can't spell anus without bungus. Oh wait, that's the other way around, huh? Can't spell
Milkfish.
bugun.
Fish. Oh my! Stop.
Bugunus. Bungun.
She good. I love
So
these.
these look like
Chichiria.
Oh, these go.
These are like. All of these are probably like under $1. I'm over exaggerating, but they cheap as hell.
Oh, this one says 70 cents.
No, that's 70 pesos, which is like $1 or something. $1.50.
American. Oh shit.
But these, like, go find them in like these sari stores. They're like, every block has a sari store. It's like a home-owned little corner store. Snacks, like, shampoo and conditioner in like a small packet that they sell in like rings. Ooh, and then like the soda that they have in a plastic bag.
What a straw.
Yeah. Where we're from, there's one like right across. Actually, a family friend's place. And we would buy these all the time. Like every day. Packets
Those are
of
good.
them. Packets of them.
That's the easy 9.
I love these. And I like chips. Chips are good.
Saltiness of chips, always good.
For me, yes.
Cool.
Next. Oh! This is a childhood favorite of mine.
What's that ube?
Ube otap.
What is otap?
It's a biscuit. It's like a sugar biscuit. Super flaky.
But it's ube flavor.
But this one's ube flavored.
Ooh, I love this ube. Especially ice cream, boy. Oh, these are similar to like the there's like a Skyflake brand that actually makes something similar to this, but this one's ube flavor. It tastes like good.
Like, it's messy as hell. There's so much sugar on it. So it's my favorite. She good.
There's a lot of sugar on that one.
Banana
but ube,
chips too.
Anything ube, I fuck with it.
Banana chips. That's not really anything new.
No, they have. I had these before. Those are everywhere. Banana chips. Everybody in America's tried this stuff. Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I think my aunt just told me recently that it's a banana. No, never mind.
How cute.
These are good. 9. 9. These are good.
Okay. Next.
Next.
I think we're done on this side, huh?
Yep.
Maybe.
Everyone tried these. Everybody.
Hell yeah.
Everybody named Mama tried those.
Sorry, I didn't give any of these to anybody. I packed like a whole, I packed some goodie bags for like friends, but I didn't pack these because they're mine. Oh, yeah.
Oh, they juicy, boy.
Yeah, they are.
they're sticky. I remember these as a kid.
Get your vitamin C.
Mm-hmm.
You know what's really annoying? This.
Do I do that?
Oh. So this is good. This is my favorite.
Hey man.
I said that about like 3 days.
These ones are better than ones that they have here.
Duh.
Man. And these probably cost like $2.
$2.80 divided
That's
by
$4.
50. Yeah.
$5. Oh, what? That's expensive, no?
A little expensive, huh?
That's the same price that they are over here. Maybe $7, $8.
Yeah. But whatever, they're good.
These ones still, regardless, are better.
Next ones, these ones. Classic.
No, I got them here.
Classic pastillas.
So, pastels, pasties.
She good. Oh my god.
So, what's the flavor of the white one?
I don't know. I think it's just pastillas. And then this one's just ube, obviously, because it's purple. Very famous flavor in the Philippines.
Okay. This is probably like...
I think you've tried this one. You've
I don't
had
think so.
pastillas before? No? You had to have had pastillas. There was one time your mom came home with a box of them. My mom knows how to make these.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They're just smaller.
Man.
But sometimes they come in like little stick, like...
Yeah, like flattened out. Bro, these were my favorite.
Yeah.
I remember I was playing... I don't know why I remember this, but I remember playing on the piano for hella long, and I just went through like an entire box. So I like pop one, pop one.
This one I had hella of, and I gave hella of them out to my friends.
Oh, those are my favorite.
Yeah.
I gotta try this little big one.
Chocolate crinkles is my favorite too. I can make these. Just haven't made them. But
Oh man, that's dangerous, man. 2019. New Year's revolution and resolution and recognition. Eat all these snacks.
got it.
Oh boy.
She gets sweet.
She gets sweet.
So you're using alcohol done it?
It's soda. Don't do drugs, kids.
Just not. Chocolate crinkles. I don't know how I forgot to ask my mom for these, but she remembered. So that's
Mom.
good.
Mothers always know. Hey man, these ones look good.
Powdery
These look
brownies.
good.
You know those brownies that aren't chewy or like aren't fudgy.
Ooh. Oh.
I can make these. I should totally make some more. She good?
Oh, she's good. They're kind of like
brownies.
yeah,
It's
they're like
just brownies
powder coated brownies, like brownie cookies. Oh, those are so. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Oh boy. So far,
Fave?
my favorite. That one's mine.
This one, I'm gonna eat one anyway.
That was good, man.
You want this one?
Oh hell no!
I want one.
You can have one of those.
I can eat like 5. I want one.
But yeah, I just see one too, boy. Want to see my reaction? Hold on, let me cheek it.
You swallowed it.
Swallowed it. No.
No.
I don't like it.
I love this stuff. It's so good.
I don't even want it.
Too bad it's in your mouth. Okay, next is yemma. My mom knows how to make this too. I know these ones are... I know he had this because he tried it when they first came home.
Oh,
And they're like hella sweet. Like they
it's
made
like
this one hella
nothing but
sweet.
sugar.
But my mom makes it pretty good. But
Those are, I mean, like, they're really good. It's just, they're just, like, sweet. And they come in these, like, cute little packagings.
yeah.
Pretty cool. You can just bite it. Hiya. I remember
Oh, wow.
I
That
took.
one is hella sweet.
It's sweet, man. I took like the bottom portion of it because I got to a point where it was just like too short. And I just popped the whole thing. That shit was sweet.
She's so good though. Look at that. It's like really gooey in the middle.
Oh, that's
I
really-
doubt you guys can even see that.
Oh, that's good. She good.
Okay,
Alright.
next. This.
So, so as you can tell from the last screen, the table's a little different. It's because my camera shuts off after like 30 minutes, and it shut off.
Didn't notice it. So we actually finished the video, but it's okay. I mean, it's not like a lot.
Yeah, we got majority of it.
Okay, but we're gonna eat more.
Damn it! Okay, so we ended off with this one here.
Yeah, so that's good.
So
Swedish shell.
let's move on to this one.
Yes, we have an open one already.
So it's similar to this one. It's like wrapped.
Yeah.
It's very similar, different color wrapping. It has little hearts on it. I just noticed that.
Yeah.
So this one's the langka.
Marzipan, langka. Wow, good job, buddy. But yeah, similar.
Filipino snacks pulls out
Just-
Filipino in me.
Mhm.
So it's very similar, but oh, this one doesn't. It doesn't taste as much as this one,
Which we'll get to later.
but it's still good.
Yeah.
I can taste all that sugar, boy.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's actually this yemma thing right here. From what I remember, because my mom knows how to make it, the yemma is like a big block. It's just this big brown block. It's like spherical, half a sphere. And like she has to like crush it up and stuff to make that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, next.
Next.
Next is this one, but we opened one because we recorded it.
So they're pretty much just like Filipino crackers covered in sugar.
But these are Japanese. There's Japanese
Oh.
writing on it, so I think it's Japanese and not necessarily Filipino. It's just
Oh,
sold
you're right.
there, I guess.
There's Japanese.
But it's
writing
just
here.
crackers. But they good.
There's crackers. They're shaped. If you guys know those chicken. What are those called?
Chicken biscuits.
Oh, chicken biscuits. They're shaped similar. Tastes
Definitely
totally
different though.
Yeah. It has a really crispy, flaky bite off of it.
Yeah.
It's good. So I think there's something like baked onto it. Which
You know when you
makes-
put like egg whites on top of like pie
Mm.
and like stuff like that, and it
Makes
makes
it
like a little
crispy.
crispy crust on top,
Mm.
like that.
And if y'all have diabetes, I don't recommend any of these except for this. Because this shit is sweet.
And then we got what else?
Oh, we got all these guys
Polvoron.
here.
Classic Pinoy. You can get that here in America.
Yeah,
So I'm not like super excited about it, but
they are good though.
still good though.
Yeah, these are one of my favorite. So I did try this one, which again, they're good. They're
Yeah.
good.
I actually want to bite now. Shit, sorry.
This table getting messy. It's so good.
It's buttery.
Yeah.
There's a lot of butter in there. A lot of butter.
They have like different flavors. There's like a cashew one. There's a peanut one. There's obviously the original classic flavor. I already ate. There's a cookie. What is it called? Cookie and cream one. Pretty good. What is this?
Pinipig. Don't know what it is, but it's pinipig.
Okay.
I don't know exactly what that is. I'm sorry.
80s tarts though. These
Boat tarts
these actually
are
surprised
my
me.
favorite. So good. So good.
They're like little boat-shaped tarts, and it has like some type of like
gooey center.
gooey jelly type center with nuts on top. I'm pretty sure they're cashew.
Yeah.
These actually surprised me. I think
What?
I had them before, but it came out to be really good.
I need to stop eating.
Me too.
I'm gonna stop eating now.
I mean, we can't just stop eating.
These are the last two.
Okay, so
Last bite of the. We have like a langka flavored one again. Jackfruit. Did I say this was
Jackfruit.
my favorite already? Like my favorite fruit is jackfruit.
I
Like langka ice cream is like magic.
Wow. No, I think you did say your favorite one was over here, but I'm not too sure you said jackfruit's favorite.
I mean, I think I did say it, but it's in the freaking unrecorded part here.
Like I said in the part that was not recorded, this one has like a really potent like flavor to it.
Florally taste, he said. Yeah.
Yeah, it could be like a air spray or like a perfume of some sort.
I see where you taste that.
It's very florally. Well, those are pretty good, but these ones are better. I'm gonna open one just for the
And eat it.
just for the video, and because I already ate the other portion. But these are good. Yeah, I think these came out to be one of my favorites too.
But out of all of this stuff, which one's your favorite? This one, huh? The crinkles. I know they're called Kringles. I know they're chocolate Kringles, but I grew up saying crinkles. Don't judge me. I like chocolate Kringles.
What are Kringles?
These.
But it says crinkles here.
Oh, it does? I thought it had a G. Never
That's
mind.
a K.
I'm correct. I looked at the mic like it was the camera.
Welcome to my video today. No, but
my
these...
favorite is... Oh yeah, the Bungos chips, because I like salty. I'm a salty snacker.
But I feel like out of all of the snacks here, I feel like these are like very Americanized.
Because it's cookie.
Yeah, because it's a
sugar
cookie, it's a brownie, which is not like langka or like the mangoes or ube. Don't get me wrong, ube, shit good. But I'm like a big chocolate guy, and these are really good. So highly recommend these.
Comment. What would you say in the last one?
These are good. Oh.
Showed it. The mic.
Oh yeah. So I want you guys to comment down below to see. I want to hear what your guys' favorite snack is. It doesn't have to be Filipino.
Just snack.
Just snack in general. Just not American.
What kind of snack?
What kind of
salty
snack?
or sweet?
And
Are you salty or are you sweet?
I'm a sweet guy. She's a salty guy.
I'm a salty guy.
But Guilla had the ideas to also comment down below what your favorite dish is.
Sinigang. Sisig. I got a little tired of adobo, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. I mean, I can see why.
I hate longanisa.
I love longanisa.
I hate it.
Tocino?
Like
Oh,
Tocino,
so
hell
good.
yeah.
Bruh. Sweet pork.
My favorite dish, sinigang, extra sour.
Sinigang's pretty good. I don't really like the extra sour, but it's
Extra sour, bro.
good.
That's it for the video, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe. This his channel. This my IG. This his also IG. This his also Twitter.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. No. I do always say this in my other videos, so I'm gonna end it off like this. Sorry, Maya. Take 6.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's it.
Go, 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 go.
Alright, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My very first mukbang, but Filipino snack edition.
I still don't know if this counts as a mukbang.
Well, why though?
I think mukbang is like legit, like actual like eating, not just trying out stuff. I think mukbang is like legitimately eating food.
No.
Okay, I guess.
No, remember that one dude? He had like those.
Comment down below. Is this a mukbang or nah?
Yeah, please let me know. But then again, like, remember that one dude? He was eating those meringue cookies. He ate the whole damn thing.
ASMR. I guess I don't know. Okay,
whatever, man. I don't care.
That's it for this video.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed.
I had fun making this video. Thank you for snacking with me.
You're welcome.
We're getting ready for dinner now.
Again.
Oh my goodness. Hopefully, well, she's gonna be in the next video, just not like this.
Oh.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Filipino snacks galore. Again, I'm gonna say this in every. Well, I'm gonna try to say this in every video, but it's like you have to like find what you love, what you're passionate about, and just do it for the rest of your life. And that's it. Again, thanks for stopping by. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Babe, thanks you. Thanks you for joining me.
Welcomes you.
Shut up. We'll see you in the next video. Peace. We actually have that
recording?
one. Yes! That was so hard. YouTubing so difficult. Alright.
I'm gonna eat all of your food.
Okay.
Oh, you're recording, ho?
Hee 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 hee. Ha ha.
Oh my god.
She's straight.
Comment down below. Is she straight?
No, you can't. Well, I can turn this one off.
Fit all 5 of my fingers.
Get the fuck. You tired?
Did you take a nap today? I didn't. Well, you need one.
Why was I mouthing the words while you were
Hi, my name is Guilla. I am on Cameron's vlog, and we're gonna eat the pasalubong from my parents.
Cut. We're done.
The mic on?
I swear.
You wanna check?
Shut up. It is.
Okay. That is all for the video. Thank you very much.